What's up and welcome back to the channel. This is the Audi A4 Avant, a very nice car. Just your kind of a basic Audi, but it's still a very nice car, and especially when it's one of the newer ones. It really has been a joy to ride this car, and hopefully this video can inspire some new buyers for it, because it definitely deserves it. In itself, an Audi is always going to be an Audi. It's of course a fun drive, and it's a reliable car. It's of course, again, maybe one of the more expensive cars, but you pay what you get, so yeah. We're gonna have to take a right turn here, but this Volvo is really behind that car, so it makes it a bit difficult. Okay, let's just let the Volvo go there before us. And yes, this car doesn't have any gas, if you didn't notice that already. But that's fine, we still have 80 kilometers. And this is just gonna be a short video, so. There we see the police. It's very quiet here. Oh yeah, I took the right lane. That was great. I was a bit worried that I was in the wrong lane, but I think we're in the bus lane here. I'm not sure, but I feel like that's the bus lane. I'm not 100% sure in what engine this is, but I know it's a TFSI version, so it's not diesel, which means that it might be a bit more power in this. I just kind of quickly jumped into the car. I've actually driven it quite a lot today, but my journey with this car is gonna end here soon. And as I said, it's a really fun drive, a really comfortable drive. and it's a really stylish car. I mean, it is a great looking car, and there's no denying that. And we need to, okay, really need to switch lanes here. I could have went full gas and try to cut everybody off, but I'm not gonna do that right now. And Game of Thrones is coming out here soon in a couple of days, on Monday, and it's now Friday. So what's your opinion on that? If you watch the show, what do you think will happen? And there we have an SQ5 in front of us. Very nice car, a very, very, very nice car. I've driven in one of those once, and it was a great time. That's all I can say. But I feel like we're gonna just end the video here at the end of the parking lot. So again, this was kind of a fast video, but I hope that you still managed to enjoy it for some bit, and you have a pretty awesome view. And yeah, that was everything for today, and see you guys next time. And be sure to leave some suggestions if you want longer videos or shorter ones. Do you like the around 10-minute ones, or do you want like 20-minute ones? Do you want me to talk? Do you not want me to talk? Just try to answer some of those questions. And yeah, but this is a great car. You really should buy it if you have the money, and you just want any kind of a luxurious car that feels great and looks great and is fast. So yeah, thanks, and see you guys next time.